A very warm welcome to Astro Yogi channel and wish you all a very happy new year 2021. We all must have spent really happily and joyfully with our loved ones, family members and near and dear ones. January marks the beginning of a new year. This month is all about corrections, resolutions, goals, plans and the path that we all choose to what? To ascertain that the year turns out to be good. So basically, this month, January month, is also called the planning month, isn't it? Because the previous year might not have been ended on a very good note for some. For some, they must have experienced really the best time of the year, spending time with their family members, working from home, etc. Unfortunately, for a very few, it must not have been a year because of hard hitting reality. Looking at how the previous year we all have dealt with, we know that we are going to cautiously take a few steps, make choices, and take decisions so that the upcoming year turns out to be better, happier, and contentful. We all know that the tables that we are setting are going to be turned to a very happier life, right? We all are welcoming the new year strongly, truly, with strength and courage. We all have shown the previous year has helped us to deal with the crisis boldly and hope for a better tomorrow. Will January 2021 be fruitful in terms of finances, in terms of career, with our loved ones, family ones? Will my love turn out to be a blossom? Oh, yes. Can we expect commitment? All of such questions are going to be answered right here. With the expert astrologer's help, they can get a very great sneak peek so that the upcoming year holds on with bold and future moves accordingly. Hi, I am Tara Polak from Astro Yogi, and today I'm here to take you through all 12 horoscope signs for the month of Jan 2021. If you all are watching this video and have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and request to press the bell icon to get all the latest video updates related to astrology, horoscopes and tarot. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section right below. Right? Here it goes. Next sign, Leo. The fixed nature of Leo natives invites them to dig deeply into topics that fascinates them. Once their attention is captured, it becomes very difficult to lure it away. Please think of the lioness tunnel vision, which seeks her prey. There is nothing else that she can see until the prey is felled, right? This month, your priority or prey is only work. With Venus as moving into Sagittarius on the 4th of January, work becomes your dominant focus. You can accrue financial gain and explore a great number of job opportunities, encouraging you to be flexible. On the 28th of January, as the Venus moves into Capricorn, you are encouraged to be careful. You may come into difficulties and others in the office. Watch for people who are of true nature and take time and space to trust. Don't trust easily to anybody. On the 5th of January, as the Mercury moves into Capricorn, which ensures victory, achievement, and name and fame. There is a wonderful phase for those who are of artistic talents. As it moves into Aquarius, Mercury, so your health is to be called to the fore because you are fairly sturdy and robust, but you are prone to unusual ailments if you do not take care of yourself, and sometimes when your fixed nature is consumed into something and by something. You can take focus of your and health entirely. Post the 14th, you will enjoy victory across all areas. There may be restlessness, urge for some change. What can your next focus be? So, dear Leo, good luck for this month. This is a generalized prediction for all 12 horoscope signs as per the planet transitory positions. In case if you want a very detailed astrological predictions, then please click on the link below given. You will get all your answers to your questions too. Have a great time.
Astroyogi, India's #1 live astrology app.